Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And today guys, I have this JSW Google TV and today I'll be looking at this device. And of course, this is going to be a quick overall look unboxing. Alright, so you can see this is the JSW GoogLe TV JVG4540SER9, a very long name. It's a LED 4K TV, and as you can see here, it comes with Netflix support, Prime Video. It has HDMI ports, it comes with Dolby, and of course Wi-Fi support, as you see here. Being as you can see Google TV, the features are very nice, and of course you can see here the JSW logo and the Google TV logo. And I think Google TV is a good match for smart TVs. They tend to work very well. And of course the JSW brand, you may not be overly familiar with them, however, they do produce some great TV sets, especially they are super affordable. As you can see the white box here that it comes with, this is one of the latest models, and you can actually pick this up. There are a number of places that actually sell them, and as you can see, this is the other side of the box. It's basically the same thing again, repeated here, and you can see the features all outlined here. You can also note the model number and the features down here as well, and of course it shows the features such as the one watch list and basically the Google features that come with all standard Google TVs. Now the Google TV OS or operating system for TVs does come on a variety of brands. You can see here it comes with Netflix support and it shows some of the key features here, and of course it gives the size and resolution, and of course it gives the weight, which is 4.3 kg. You can always pause and read those. It's the same on this side with the other product information and the code, and the TV itself comes inside of the box. It comes with this particular remote. It comes in black and silver, you can see here, and of course it has the media buttons and the usual typical layout that you could expect. There's at the base here the color buttons. Then next we have the volume buttons. We have the up and down. We have mute button, of course home. We have inputs. We have up, down, OK. We also have the voice button, and of course settings and quick access to Netflix, YouTube, and so on at the push of a button. We have the power button and the source button as well. And of course on the inside there's the battery, which is the typical batteries that comes in these type of remotes that powers them. Alright, so here we have the TV powered on and all set up. The feet are easy to place on. You can see the JSW Google logo and the information is on the box. It also supports USB, so you can actually connect a flash drive with your stuff. Here is the JSW logo, and beneath that we have the power button. Alright, so over on the other side, you're gonna show you the thickness of the TV in a minute to show you how thick this product is. So you can see there are very thin bezels, and of course the feet are typical of these type of TVs. To the side you can actually see the thickness is not very thick, however they creatively design it so it actually hides the overall thickness, so it has a variable thickness. However, it doesn't look bad and it's well designed. You can see the inputs here. There's two HDMI ports, two USB ports. There's the usual RGB ports, which is to connect stuff like your cable top box, DVD players, and so on. There's an audio jack, and of course there's a antenna. There's also the power section on the other side, and everything is here. You can actually see the overall outlay. It can also be wall mounted if you so choose. You can see the thickness here, so if I were to roughly estimate the thickness, you can see the curvature of the back. It's around 3 inches to the back roughly. However, it's not a flat thickness, so it's hard to actually tell, and this is the way they make TV nowadays, and they're pretty light, guys. So you know, if you know, you know. On this side here you can actually see also the power card. Alright, so here we have the operating system, which is the Google TV. So if you ever interface with a Google TV, this is the home screen. You can see your apps. There's also the app store, basically, that you can download your apps. You do get stuff like Prime Video, Netflix, YouTube, Disney, Prime, HBO. And when I say get, I mean that they are pre-installed. You'll need a subscription to these services to use them. Stuff like YouTube is free, and of course you have the media player, you have Wi-Fi, and you can connect up to stuff like your Wi-Fi. It's all here to easily connect. All you gotta do is select, and of course the media player, if you have a USB flash drive, you can go ahead and get whatever you need. All right, so over here as well, you can see Prime layout, and of course Prime, once you sign in, you will get the updated as to what's on Prime now, and that's Amazon Prime. And if you use Netflix, it's supported here as well. So it's up to you and what services you use. They're all supported, and you can actually find and download the apps. As you can see here, there's Kodi, there are various media players which would support your flash drive, or news stations that you can get as well. All right, so everything is here that you would expect from one of these cool devices. So you can see as well the layout, so you can search for your apps there. And of course the settings is also very robust in terms of you have screensavers here, and you can go to the quick settings. So I'll quickly show you the settings. So if you go into all settings here, there's a quick setting panel for some of the most used features. But if you want, you can actually, you can see your notifications down there. You can also go into the full-on settings that you can use to customize their experience with this device. So as you can see, you're in settings, so you can see you can go to customize your channel. You have display and sound, your network in terms of connecting to the internet, accessories and profiles. You have privacy to control your privacy, apps, and of course Google give updates to system updates, accessibility, and of course you have remote and accessories. And it basically breaks down everything for you, and everything is represented here. So if you have ever used one of these TV, you should be good. Overall, I really like this TV. I definitely would recommend it, especially with the Google OS. And of course, I'm sure if you purchase these, you'll be fine, especially if you like Android based TVs, which is basically what this TV is from Google. And you can be rest assured that you'll get all the latest updates and features as Google adds them. All right, so that's it, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.